Right, done. Wow, super fragrant. I hope you can smell this. This is really super fragrant. You must try.
Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa has been steaming some chicken recently and made some special coriander ginger sauce and garlic sauce for the as the chicken dip, yeah, the steamed chicken dipping sauce. But some people actually told Appa that, hey, Appa, can you try to make some other dipping sauce without using coriander because they hated fresh coriander, just like my wife. Okay, no problem. Today I'm going to show you another very unique way of how to make a special steamed chicken dipping sauce. Of course, as usual, I'm steaming half of chicken here, and later I'm going to marinate with a little bit of salt and put few pieces of ginger on top. Now, how do I make the dipping sauce today differently? I'm going to use two items. Number one is this. This is actually galangal or blue ginger. It has a very unique gingery and cooling flavor, a very unique flavor, I would say. And then I'll be using some shallots. So this will be a combination, a sauce, a combination between galangal and shallot. All right, so let's prep the free-range chicken. This is half of the chicken, approximately about 1.1 kg. I bought it for, I think, whole bird, the whole chicken is about 60 ringgit. So this is 30. All right, so let's give it some fine salt. You can trim off the excessive fat, no problem, but don't trim off everything because the fat will actually give it the natural sweetness. So after that, I'm going to put few pieces of ginger. And let's send this to the steamer. Now, take note, I actually change it to a much larger and also a plate with a steaming plate with some good depth because later there will be some chicken stocks coming up. And you don't want to waste that chicken stock, that is very good. Okay, it has been preheated to 100 degrees. We'll put in the chicken. And we shall let it steam for approximately 20 minutes. For half a chicken, 20 minutes is actually good enough. Actually, right after the 20 minutes, you can leave it inside the steamer for about a minute or two, if you like, after you off your fire, to let it continue cooking in order to make it really fully cooked inside. All right, I have actually cut the galangal into chunks like this. Of course, you can continue to cut it into mince it, but because galangal is usually very hard, so I choose to use a blender to costly chop it. Much easier. Right. So much faster. Not easy to mince galangal by yourself. Right, so I have small cups of galangal here, minced, and also similar amount of shallots here, sliced. So let's start making the dipping sauce. You need a good amount of oil here, and even before it is heated up, you can actually add in the shallots already. We are going to saute the shallot first, because shallots actually contains more water inside. Yeah. So what we want to do here is to bring out the flavor and the fragrance and aroma from the shallots. How you can do it? It is actually by reducing the water level in the onion itself. Try to keep on stirring for a minute or two before we continue. Oh, by the way, don't use too high heat. Try to use medium or medium low. Do this slowly. You know, Appa used to think that 葱油鸡, Chong is onion and yu is oil, yeah? Chong yu ji, onion oil steamed chicken. I used to think that this particular dish called onion steamed chicken is actually using spring onion and also normal ginger. I never thought you can actually also use galangal plus shallot. So it is very interesting. Okay, this is after about 1 minute. I'm putting in the galangal. Once you put in the galangal, you will notice the temperature of the oil, your wok, and the oil will actually drop a bit, yeah? I don't mind giving a little bit more oil here. This dipping sauce is actually supposed to be under the oil, submerged under the oil, yeah? Wow, now I can really smell the onion flavor coming out and mixed with the galangal flavor. Ooh, very unique. Tune down the fire to medium low if you find it a bit too high heat. I was using medium heat just now and then medium low. So now this is somewhere around 25% of the heat level. Wow, really nice, super fragrant. A very different types of flavor if you ask me. And this is my first time making this. Perhaps next time if I make, I'll probably add in the galangal with the onion together. Because I think galangal also contains quite a lot of water. Never mind then, it's okay. This is one of the reasons why I tuned down the fire to medium low right now. So that my onion doesn't get burnt, yeah? Ooh, but I can tell you it is super fragrant. Wow, very unique smell. If you prefer the onion smell to be stronger, you can actually probably put in about 70% of the onion and with 30% of the galangal here. So now I can actually smell the galangal quite strong. Right? This is after approximately 3 minutes plus sauteing. I'm going to give it a bit of seasoning here. Let's give it some oyster sauce, about 1 tablespoon to start with. I'm going to give it some salt, a bit of sugar, and 1 round of light soya sauce. Let's mix everything together. If you want even further enhanced flavor, what you can add in right now is a tinge of sesame oil. Just few drops will do, because this sauce is ready. See how simple it is? Later, what you can do is you can actually scoop some of it up into your tip chai, yeah? Then you can add in some of the chicken stock as well. Right? Done. Wow, super fragrant. I hope you can smell this. This is really super fragrant. You must try. Basically, it only takes me approximately 5 minutes to make this dipping sauce. So the dipping sauce is ready. You notice it is actually everything submerged under the oil, which is a good thing because let's say you only manage to eat half of it. So what you can do is the other half you can leave it in the fridge, and the oil is going to act like a protection on the freshness of your dipping sauce, yeah, on top of it, which is actually how a lot of those sauce is managed to preserve naturally through an extra layer of oil. All right, the chicken is ready. I actually leave it inside for another extra 30 seconds. Oh. Ooh, look at the beautiful color. Let me try to take out the chicken. Ta-da. Can you see? Ta-da! All right, so here's Appa, very simple steamed chicken with a special onion sauce. As you can see from the focus, So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Home cooking can be very simple. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.